Hello friends, in this video I showed you how can use iPhone map offline. Okay, let's see. I show you friends. First you open iPhone map and click here. You see here option offline map. Click here and click here download new map. Click here and writing which country and which location you want to use offline map. I use offline map Singapore, so I writing here Singapore and click here. Okay friends, so you see here this box. You can select here which country you want to use offline map. So I select Singapore and click here download. Again click here download and click here. Again click here download. So you see here downside option download. Click here. Here have two option, Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi plus mobile data. So you click here Wi-Fi plus mobile data. So again I open the map home page and scroll down, and here you see here have option new guide. Click here and here you choose any name. So I choose name Raman 1. Click here, then click here, and here have option add a place. Click here. So friends, if you want to use iPhone offline map, so you must need save here all your place, which place you want to use offline map. So I writing here Changi airport, and you see downside Changi all location show here. All location have last plus mark. Which location you want add, just click this plus mark. And next I writing here Red Hill. So friends, here 4 location I save ready in my guide. First friends, I on my mobile flight mode, and now I show you how to use offline map. Just simply click here. So here before I save ready this 4 location. So now I click here Changi airport and click here direction and click here go.
Starting route to Changi airport.
And you see here friends, still my phone have a flight mode and I can use iPhone map offline for driving. But remember friends, if you want to use offline map, so you must save all your location in my guide. So friends, very simple or easy you can use iPhone map offline. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.